Oh, I'm in it, but I haven't gotten the watch yet.
Where's my watch?
There you go.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 261, effective until 10 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Frederick, Hartford, Howard, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the Maryland Independent City of Baltimore, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Adams and York, and the following, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Patapsco River, and Patuxent River. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Montgomery County in Central Maryland, Northern Prince William County in Northern Virginia, Central Loudoun County in Northern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Purcellville, or 8 miles west of Leesburg, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured line objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Leesburg, South Riding, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Brambleton, Ashburn, Countryside, Purcellville, Round Hill, Arcola, Oatlands, Belmont, Hamilton, Hillsborough, Paonian Springs, Philemont, Waterford, Hughesville, Leesville, and Aldie. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat is passed. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured line objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Charlestown, Ranson, Berryville, and Wood, Corporation of Ranson, Oliver, Middleway, Alton, Ridgeway, Brucetown, Bunkerville, Swanville, and Charleston. Ward and Clearbrook. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat is passed. Severe. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat is passed. The tornado warning for northeast. As well as damage homes and vehicles. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured line objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include indicated rotation. Impact for those in the direct path of the tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Middleburg around 6:25 p.m. The Plains around 6:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include Albany, Woolsey, Broadrun, Rectortown, Upperville, St. Louis, Meadowville, Hathaway, Philemont, and Marshall. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now for the official. Imminent. Person should changing weather conditions. National Weather Service in Sterling. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, Charles County in southern Maryland, Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, Prince George's County in central Maryland, eastern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland until 10:15 p.m. At 8:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Poolsville to near Lake Ridge to near Stafford to 11 miles west of Spotsylvania, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured line objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Rockville, Bethesda, Bowie, Annapolis, Clinton, College Park, Crofton, Fort Washington, Greenbelt, Langley Park, Beltsville, Forestville, Lexington Park, Largo, Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Coral Hills, Bladensburg, La Plata, and Mayo. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat is past. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.